it's your boy Jorge Gamebred Masvidal, the owner of the BMF belt, here with the F22 demo team and the Viper demo team. We're about to take off and make history. Thank you, America, for allowing me to be part of this incredible journey.
So the plan for today is Toro, the pilot of the Viper demo team, with Jorge Masvidal in the backseat, are going to take off first. We're going to go straight up to about 20,000 feet and then fly north to Cape Canaveral. From there, we're going to let Jorge fly the airplane a little bit. I'm going to be behind them, chasing them through it, watching the whole thing. And then we're going to get these airplanes and we're going to basically give them a full MMA experience. F-22 versus F-16, high speed, high G. We'll see who comes out on top.
Hey everyone, it's Toro with the Viper demo team. Excited to be flying Jorge Masvidal today. It's going to be me in the Viper against Cabo in the Raptor. We're going to go up, give him some aerobatics, let him fly a little bit, then he's going to see what a real fight between two fighter jets looks like. So excited to get going, and let's go get him geared up.
Too late to become a pilot, just give up the fighting and full blast switch on over here. I mean, I got the reflexes, right? That's the only thing I got going for me so far.
All right, ready to send it? Wow. All right, rolling out. Whoa! All right, dude, that was pretty epic. I'm gonna have to. That was an awesome takeoff. All right, so we got Cabo out there to our right, kind of 2 o'clock. Nice. Co-altitude with us. Sweet, we'll cross under so you can see kind of all what the jet looks like airborne. Wow, man. Alright, we're going to do an aileron roll, then I'm going to have you do an aileron roll, okay? So here we go, put my nose up. Yikes. Alright, you want to try that? Not yet, you can go do the next one. All right, here comes some G's. All right, not bad. Here comes some G's to the right.
I feel like a defeated person, man. Being on that jet kicked my butt. The speed, the power, the technology. Wow, I mean, when they cut the corners, you just feel like an ant, you know, and you're feeling all of the universe just crush down on you. It was the most humbling experience I've been a part of. Being in the ring is a joke, man. You're up against another human being. This thing is going above 500 miles per hour. You're fighting the elements. It's crazy. Humans are the same as me. They bleed, they breathe. It's a joke compared to this. It's not comparable. I want to give a huge, big shout out and thanks to the F-22s and the F-16s for allowing me to join, ride, and take part of the most humbling experience of my life. Thank you. Thank you, Air Force.